A for apple. Apple means save. B for ball. Ball means game. C for cat. Cat means billy. D for dog. Dog means kutta. E for elephant. Elephant means hathi. F for fish. Fish means machli. G for girl. Girl means ladki. H for hat. Hat means topi. I for ice cream. Ice cream means ice cream. J for joker. Joker means joker. K for king. King means bacha. L for lamp. Lamp means lamp. M for monkey. Monkey means bandar. N for notebook. Notebook means copy. O for octopus. Octopus means octopus. P for pineapple. Pineapple means ananas. Q for queen. Queen means shahzadi. R for rose. Rose means phool. S for ship. Ship means bahari jahaz. T for tiger. Tiger means cheetah. U for umbrella. Umbrella means chhatri. V for van. Van means van. W for well. Well means kuआं. X for X-ray. X-ray means X-ray. Y for yo-yo. Yo-yo means yo-yo. Z for zebra. Zebra means zebra. Thank you for watching. Please subscribe my channel.